Have you ever seen a market where clothes are piled up into actual mountains inside a one-story house, and you literally have to climb over them just to shop? Welcome to Dong Tac Secondhand Market, one of the largest, oldest, and most chaotic secondhand clothing paradises in Hanoi, Vietnam. Hi, I'm Adam. I'm 23 years old, a recent college graduate living in a small rental room in a narrow Hanoi alley. I received the news I feared most right now. I was laid off. I became officially unemployed. Unemployed here without a job in a big city is scary, especially when I'm 100% financially independent. Waking up in this small room this morning, the silence felt heavier than usual, but I knew that lying in bed scrolling on my phone would only make me feel worse. So today, I'm taking you guys along for a walk to explore Dong Tac Market, to clear my head, breathe some fresh air, and see how locals hunt for everyday bargains. Welcome to Dong Tac Market. For my international friends watching, in Vietnam, we call secondhand clothes hang thung. This market has been around for decades, hidden right beneath giant, yellowing apartment blocks built back in the 1980s. The alleys here are so narrow that two people can barely walk past each other without bumping shoulders. Most clothes are imported in massive fabric bales from Japan, Korea, and the US. If you have patience, you can find incredible vintage jacket gems for just $1 or $2. Perfect for a budget-conscious unemployed guy like me. As you can see, the stores here offer a wide variety of styles and designs. There are plenty of denim and jean options available, with styles to suit everyone from young people to older adults. And then, I stumbled upon this shop. Look at this! It's not just a sifting rack. It's an actual mountain of clothes piled inside a traditional two-story house. I decided to step inside and see if I could find something that suited me. I hoped this would be an unforgettable experience. The shop owner was genuinely friendly, enthusiastic, and welcoming, which immediately gave me a good impression and made me even more eager to look around and find something for myself. To get inside, you literally have to climb over a mountain of clothes and squeeze through tight door frames. Now, just look at this. I bet you won't believe your eyes. I'm standing on top of a mountain of clothes. The house has 4 to 5 interconnected rooms, and clothes are stacked everywhere like a textile cave.
Ui, lần đầu ở đây đấy. Hay.
What blew my mind is that despite the chaotic piles reaching the ceiling, every single room has its own dedicated air conditioner and wall fan running to keep shoppers cool in the humid Hanoi heat. I spent over 20 minutes sitting right on top of these clothes piles, digging through layers to find something nice. I was hoping to find a comfortable warm jacket for chilly Hanoi nights.
Xúc luôn mà ăn.
Nó như nào nhỉ?
Quần mà. Trông có cái nào đẹp đẹp không ạ?
Honestly, when you first step into this place, it might feel a little overwhelming, especially for anyone who's afraid of tight or enclosed spaces. But the air conditioning and fans are running constantly, so the place actually feels quite well ventilated, and I never felt stuffy or uncomfortable. There are also so many different styles and products to choose from. You can find clothes for both men and women, including trousers, shorts, t-shirts, jackets, dresses, and so much more.
Nhiều hay mà. Nãy cái nãy tôi bảo bạn đâu đây này. Chốt đơn trên ly.
Cái này ghê lắm.
Chốt đơn trên ly.
Tối bật đèn sợ.
Gen này. Ê, chào. Đây cái áo này có gì đây? Đây bạn. Đấy bạn. Đâu, giữa hai bên đều. Đấy. Tuyệt vời lắm. Phải vào ngăn bên kia cơ bạn ạ. Ngăn bên kia mình có quần áo nam.
Thôi vào đây.
Nhưng mà trong này hôi lắm. Thôi. Cái sao ấy? Nhưng mà cái màu khác.
Không, cái lúc ấy không, cái lúc ấy nó là chun thôi. Sao anh không mạng anh gửi?
Áo nam áo nữ.
Đấy hả?
Tôi nghĩ là cái ra ngoài rồi các bạn.
Nóng quá.
Unfortunately, After searching for a while, I couldn't find anything that fit me well. Squeezing and crawling through fabric mountains in an enclosed space is surprisingly exhausting. It was definitely time to step back outside and find a cold drink.
Hương nào thấy cái túi bóng nào thừa trong đấy vứt ra cho chị nhé. Cảm ơn em rất nhiều. Đâu có mang sang cho mình nhà họ thay nó già họ thay cơ. Tí nữa đi vòng về đấy lấy nhá. Ở đây tí nữa đi.
Ok.
After that indoor climbing session, I desperately needed something ice cold. I found this tiny roadside sugarcane juice stall. In Vietnam, Nước Mía is the ultimate street refresher. They crush raw sugarcane together with a tiny citrus fruit called kumquat. This giant cold glass cost me 8,000 VND. That's less than 35 cents. It's sweet, ice cold, with a subtle citrus aroma. Sitting on a tiny plastic stool in a quiet Hanoi alley, sipping cheap sugarcane juice. Moments like this remind me that peace doesn't cost a fortune.
đúng không?
Quạt nước đi. Toàn nuôi công nghiệp.
Walking further around the residential complex, I came across this public outdoor fitness courtyard. You'll see these bright yellow and green metal machines in almost every public park and neighborhood yard across Vietnam. Even though I've lived in Hanoi for 4 years during college, I've actually never tried these machines myself. Mostly older aunties and uncles use them in the late afternoon. Moving around in the open air while watching local neighborhood life was surprisingly therapeutic. I came home without buying any clothes today, but stepping out into the vibrant chaos of Dong Tac Market, enjoying a 30 cents juice, and trying the local outdoor gym cleared my head completely. Losing my job at 23 feels heavy, but life in Hanoi keeps moving, and so will I. Tomorrow, I'll update my resume and send out more applications. As long as I have today, I'm going to rebuild step by step. Thank you for watching and supporting my journey. See you in the next vlog.